Hello friends, today we will discuss electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves, which is important for board point of view as well as JEE Mains point of view as well as any other competitive exams. So listen very carefully because it is important topic for us. There are some important points regarding electromagnetic waves. First one, electromagnetic waves does not require any medium for its propagation. कहने का मतलब कि इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स बिना किसी मीडियम के सहारे एक मीडियम से दूसरे मीडियम में जा सकता है. There is no need of any medium. Now second one is electromagnetic waves travels with a speed of light, means c को कहते हैं speed of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now third one is electromagnetic waves are produced by accelerated charge particles. This is the most important. This is the most important part. Electromagnetic waves are produced by accelerated charge particles. Now fourth one is, which is very important. Technically, electromagnetic waves defined as wave having electric field and magnetic field are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to direction of its propagation, known as electromagnetic waves, EM waves. E represents electric field and V represents magnetic field. In case of electromagnetic waves, electric fields and magnetic fields are perpendicular to each other and its direction are mutually perpendicular to electric field and magnetic field. So this is the important part of electromagnetic waves. These points are very important regarding electromagnetic waves. Now comes to the next topic. This is the pictorial representation of electromagnetic waves. मतलब यह इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स को चित्रात्मक रूप में किस रूप में हम देखेंगे. तो हम सभी जानते हैं कि इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स में इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, मैग्नेटिक फील्ड एंड वेव्स के प्रोपागेशन का डायरेक्शन तीनों आपस में म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर होते हैं. ध्यान दें, electric field, magnetic field and its direction of propagation are mutually perpendicular to all. Electric field is represented by y-axis, direction of propagation of waves represented by x-axis, and z-axis represent magnetic field. So all three are mutually perpendicular to each other. The distance between two thrust या crust is known as wavelength, which is denoted by lambda. Here magnetic field, electric field and direction of propagation of waves, all three are mutually perpendicular.